Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a small scale electricity generation company which is currently trading at 41 rupees and has a potential to grow until 100 rupees in below 6 months of time. This video is divided into three parts. One is the fundamental analysis, and the second part is technical analysis, and the final part is chart patterns. Please make sure you watch this video completely so that you understand where exactly that you need to enter into the stock, where you need to book the profits, and where you need to keep the targets. When it comes to the fundamental analysis, both SBI as well as an ICICI Prudential has a huge stake in this company, which is more than 4%. And this company is giving a very good quarterly results as well as an annual results when it compares with the past 3 years and as well as the 5 years. This company is paying a very good dividend, which is more than 4% from the past 10 years. And the return of equity for this company is more than 12% when it compares with the past 5 years. This company has a potential to grow in future, which they have acquired so many new projects from the past 3 years. When it comes to the technical analysis, this company has broke a very strong resistance level on yesterday with a heavy volume, which is more than 45 million volume in one day. This company is currently consolidating right now exactly at 41 rupees, and I am sure that this is going to go and break in a new higher zones, which is more than 100 rupees in below 6 months of time. Let me take you into my system, explain you in detail with the help of chart patterns. So by end of this video, you could able to take your own decision and you could able to enter exactly at the right price and book the profits. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I post videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.
Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The company which I was referring is sjvn Limited. If we see the fundamentals of this company is engaged in the business of electricity generation, and this company is also engaged in the business of providing consultancy for hydro or power projects. This has a market capital of 16,500 crore, which has given a good dividend, which is more than 4% on a year-by-year basis. And this company has a very strong face value, which is 10 rupees, and the return of equity for this company is 10.2%. When it comes into the quarterly results as well as the annual results, this company has provided a 1,359 crore from the year 2023, which is almost more than 400 crore profit in just 1 year. This is very strong when it comes into the fundamental analysis. And when it comes to the technical chart patterns, this company is continuously in a high zone, which is in a very strong bull trend from the year March 2020. Currently this stock has broke a very strong resistance level, and the volume for this stock is 45 million volume in one day. So with the heavy volume, this has broken a very strong resistance, which was formed exactly in the year December 2022. So this was trying to break this very strong resistance level from the almost like 1 year, and yesterday it has broke with a heavy volume. The stock is consolidating in a parallel channel. If you see the red candle over here, this is a profit booking where you could able to see it clearly after a heavy breakout. Currently the stock is consolidating and in the zone of very strong support, where it's going to go in a new higher zone again. So please make sure you watch this stock under your radar, and you keep this stock under your radar and enter exactly at the right price and book the profits. Currently the stock is consolidating exactly at 41 rupees, and the best entry for this stock is right now, which is 41 rupees, and the stop loss is going to be 39 rupees, and the target one is going to be 100 rupees within 6 months of time. If you go to the chart on a weekly basis, you could able to see it clearly, a bull trend for this stock, which is from 2020, with a heavy strong support over here. So I would suggest you to keep the stock under your radar and enter at the right price and take a wise decision and book the profits. Thank you very much. Please consider subscribing my channel. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.